In today's video, I am going to teach you how to update automated emails in your workflow in Hubspot. To get started, log into your Hubspot account and head to the main navigation. You are going to open the Workflows tool, which is where Hubspot stores the automations that enroll records and send emails automatically. In the top menu, go to Automations, and then select Workflows. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct portal and viewing the right set of workflows, especially if your account has multiple teams or folders. Next, find the workflow you want to update and click on the workflow name to open it. This takes you into the Workflow Builder, where you can see the enrollment triggers on the left and the actions that happen after enrollment, like delays, property updates, and email sends. It is a good habit to read the workflow name carefully so you do not edit the wrong automation. Once the workflow is open, locate the action that sends the email you need to revise. In the builder, click directly on the Send Email action. When you select it, a panel will appear on the right side with the details for that action, including which marketing email is currently being used. In that right panel, click the email name link. This opens the actual email editor, where you can make changes to the content that contacts receive. Now edit your content as needed. Update the subject line, preview text, and the body copy, and double-check formatting, links, and personalization tokens. Keep your message consistent with the workflow goal and make sure any placeholders pull the correct contact or company information. If your email includes a call to action, confirm it still points to the right page. When you are finished with your edits, click Review and Update. This step is important because it lets you confirm your changes before they go live. Scan the review screen for errors, check mobile formatting if available, and confirm the sending details look correct. Finally, click Update to publish the changes. Once you do this, the workflow will use the updated version of the email for future sends based on that action. That covers everything you need to know.